What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fernando. We got Joe right here in the building. Say what's up, Joe.
What up?
Nice. All right. So we're very excited to show you guys this new product. It's been talked about on the internet a lot. Everyone loves it, and it's called INOZETEK. I hope that's how you pronounce it. What it is a true high gloss vinyl. It doesn't have a lot of orange peel, so pretty much this is as close as you can get to vinyl looking like paint. And we're gonna be putting it on Joe's car. What kind of car do you have, Joe? Talk to us a little bit.
Mercedes GTS.
Nice, very exciting, okay? Right now, he's got a satin, dark, like battleship gray on it. We're gonna be ripping that off, and then we're gonna be putting this beauty right here on it. He also has a Darwin Pro aero kit all around. You know, it's got the bumper, the side skirt, the hood, the wing, and the rear bumper. So it looks pretty nice, you know. It's alright. I don't like to make his head a little too big, but it's alright. So yeah, anything you want to add, Joe?
Well, I'm super excited. I can't wait to give it a try. When I saw the film over at SEMA, we saw some cars done with it. It was just absolutely beautiful. The most paint-like finish I ever seen on a vinyl before, so we're quite excited to try it out. The nervous part is I love the color that's on here now. It's an ORAFOL film that we put on at the SEMA show for them, and I love the finish. I get a ton of compliments, so I'm getting ready to rip off something I already know that I love, and I know that a lot of people already like too, but we're trying to see if we could step up the game and show off this new beautiful color. Fernando, what's it called?
Midnight Gold.
Midnight Gold. So stay tuned. We're about to tear this bad boy down and get to work. So see you soon.
Yeah. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. People wanna talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but G's don't come easy when you tryna eat out producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me, I can't help myself, I'm just laughing. Hey, you tryna cut out a piece of my pie, and I asked you politely, what's it that you offer me? Yeah, I produce all my own beats, and I have no intention of losing my publisher. Yeah, independent individual, boy, I've been eating off passive residuals. Yeah, let's be professional. Thanks for your time, but I had to decline at that principle. I've been scheming up a plan, hey. I've been saving all I can, hey. You could call me David Ramsey. The way I handle these bands, hey. We ain't messing with the old model. New era, new kid, we full throttle. Just know that the come up is not a flaw. My amigos, they focus, know what to do. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it.
How's it going, guys? Joe Alexander, CEO Incognito Reps, aka Big Papa. Generally, removing a wrap is like the thing that everybody hates to do. Why are you laughing at me?
Oh, sorry, I'm listening to the podcast.
Does he got an earpiece in? I don't think he does. I think he's full of it. Anyway, what's the worst thing about removing a wrap? The worst thing is that a lot of clients wait too long to have the wrap removed. It actually removes quite easily if it's done within its lifetime. If the wrap ages to the point where it's severely discolored or cracking, then the removal process is pretty difficult. But if it's within its lifetime, as you can see, it's quite easy to remove. So it comes off really easy here on the sides, because I have PPF here and the front fenders. Some materials like to leave a lot of glue behind, and for me, I think that's the worst part, trying to clean up all the glue afterwards. You got the vinyl off and you're like, yes, I got the vinyl off, and then you're hours cleaning off glue. But usually that's either industry specific materials do that, or it's just been on for too long. So what is my specialty? I guess I would call it vinyl linguistics. We teach people how to read and understand the language of vinyl.
Ready, rolling. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fernando, and I bring the cool to Incognito. What's my favorite part about unwrapping a vehicle? I can't think of one.
Look, I ain't saying that I'm rich, cause if I'm honest, I've never been. But when I look at all these other kids, I feel just a little bit ahead of them. You should know the business is competitive. There's a lot of people that I'm better than, even veterans ain't got the knowledge I do. I've been reinvesting all I ever spent. Stop pretending like you poppin'. Who been out here making profit? Told my mama that I got this. I wonder if she noticed what my job is. I don't know how I'ma make it, but I know no matter what, I'm finna find a way. All my homies finna eat and I ain't letting no one on my team look at an empty plate. Yeah. Went from a boy to a man, ayy. Every day been making plans, ayy. They don't really understand, ayy. Gotta look out for the family. I won't fall for any scam, yeah. Only worried about the fans, yeah. I won't compromise the brand, yeah. I've been saving up the bands, whoa.
After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest.
What's my specialty here at Incognito? I feel like I'm like a spiritual leader for the guys. You know, they can find me some things. I am also in charge of taking Joe's tools. So if you guys ever see him looking for tools, I probably have it, but don't tell him.
Rappers spending money in some really funny ways, man. I promise you ain't really getting paid. Yeah, show a couple bands flexing on the Instagram, and nobody getting fans that way. Yeah, well you really dumb if you spending all your funds on some clothes and your tape need work. Yeah, you ain't gonna stand if you ain't a businessman, man. I promise you the plan ain't gonna work. Yeah, rappers spending money in some really funny ways, man. I promise you ain't really getting paid. Yeah, show a couple bands flexing on the Instagram, and nobody getting fans that way. Yeah, well you really dumb if you spending all your funds on some clothes and your tape need work. Yeah, you ain't gonna stand if you ain't a businessman, man. I promise you the plan ain't gonna work. Yeah.
I don't know how to take this out.
What are those, like $200? Move, step aside, and let Big Papa handle it. Yep. As I was saying, sometimes Big Papa has to step in and take care of business. Okay? Hey, K-Pop! Got it right here, bro.
Do you see how it's done, K-Pop?
Jesus Christ, bro.
My name is Earl Buenaflor, aka K-Pop. I'm from Iloilo, Philippines. Girls are so f***ing hot, dude.
K-Pop, watch out, bro.
Yeah, and zero Pro Bond was added to this, and man, you can see these edges are, and they are stuck. Proper post heating techniques. If this doesn't prove that post heating works fantastic, I don't know what will. Because I mean, look at these edges. I mean, this is stuck amazing. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna have to get the heat gun to get this off, but this is 100% just proper post heating here. This edge is stuck the way it is.
All right, so we got the wrap completely removed now. We're gonna get ready. Oh, yo, did you break that?
Yeah.
Joe.
Hang on, Mr. Trump. 1 second, please, sir. What up, dude?
Dude, K-Pop broke your car.
K-Pop!
Oh, K-Pop always doing his thing. All right, guys, comment down below what you think he broke. He was assembling the entire car. I think he was working on the rear bumpers, or just a little hit. But yeah, let us know what you think he broke. Also, let us know what you think of the video. Did you like it? What didn't you like? Would you like to see more? What would you like to see more of? You know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, give us a thumbs up, put a couple comments, share with your friends, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel and make sure that you hit the bell so you get notified when we upload the next video. Okay, also real quick, make sure that you go check out the last video that we posted. It was from the Rap Like a King competition where we won the regional, so that means that we're the best shop on the West Coast. So make sure you go watch that one too, give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, peace. Okay. All right.
So this is for your private collection only, right?
Tango, you copy? Audio's good? All right. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fernando. Nah, wait, I forgot about it. You copy? Everything good? All right. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fernando from Incognito Raps, and let's get this started. Wait, no, I think the shades should come after. What did I do the first time?
What's up, guys? Joe Alexander, CEO, aka Big Papa. All right, so do I need to do it again? How's it going, guys? Joe Alexander from Incognito Raps. Sorry. How's it going, guys? Joe Alexander, CEO of Incognito Raps, aka Big Papa, around here. So, what's up? What's up? You gonna ask me some questions?
Okay, we're not gonna start this video with lies.